Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on HONOR X6b. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to go to parental controls and click let's do this. Then click sign in and select Google. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. And click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now here you have to scroll all the way down and you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click activate. Now click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.